How to edit my maps in Google Maps iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Google Maps application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on the icon at the top right as shown. Go to the map type section and select satellite. As you can see, you can view the satellite map view over here. After that, tap on the same icon again and select terrain. This the terrain map view. Then, tap on icon again and go to the map details section. Select public transport. You can then view all the public transport available in that area. You can repeat this to view the other details as well, such as traffic details, cycling, street view and more. Now, go back and swipe up to view the location details. You can now view the location photos available on Google. Now, if you want to check the air quality of this location, then go back to the map details section and tap on the air quality icon. Here, you can view the air quality in this location according to the air quality index. Repeat this to check if there is any reported fire information available for this area as well. Following these steps, you can easily edit my maps in Google Maps iPhone.